It's been around more than a week. I only get less than $1.
No! God, please, no!
$1.
You serious?
Can you believe it? This is the reality of transcription job for beginners. And I'm going to share my real experience with you. And there's no any fake and no exaggeration about transcription job. I'm going to share it directly.
Hi, everything.
Everything. Hey, I'm Peter Park Online Side Hustler. Welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Peter Park, Online Side Hustler. Welcome to my channel. If you see the video about transcription job with the $20 and $25 per hour, do you think it is true or not? Well, this is a bit controversy, but let me tell you my perspective first. If you start as an entry-level transcriber earning $20 to $25 per hour, personally not 100% true. This is what I experienced. I'm not going to just keep saying and convincing you. I'm going to prove my real experience and how much money I get as an entry-level transcriber. The platform is Castingwords. And why is Castingwords? Because this is the platform that I only passed the entrance exam. Sorry about that. I know I keep trying to pass other platforms too, so please wait a while. How do I prove it? I'm going to check Castingwords every morning and evening for 1 week. I'm going to show you directly each day. And here, one more thing that you have to know. Castingwords doesn't give you the task every day, so I have to check every day. If there's a task, I can do my job and get money. I'm going to start today. So today is 21st of March, Monday. I'm going to start right now. I'm going to do it until 27th of March, which is Sunday. Let's check this out. Today is the 21st of March, 11:28 a.m. and I'm here now. Yeah, right. This is my account here. On the available job. There's one task right now. See? Available pay. I'm going to do it. Starting this amount of money. Look at that. That's so small, right? Less than $1. After I did this task, then there's a pending, and that amount of money is pending too. So once it's approval, like 0.07 will be added. So now 21st March, 9 p.m. I got $0.42. And job availability, let's see. No matching record. So my level, there's no job available for me yet. And I can show you here because I'm still level new, beginner. And new transcriber, new editor, senior grader, not sure the meaning. New grader, okay. Fluent English. Well, thank you so much. So I will update you for tomorrow morning. Good morning. Today is 22nd March. Same. Let's see. No task available for me. So now 6:26 p.m. 6 tasks are completed. Payment. And I go to again no task available, you see. So okay, see you tomorrow. Good morning. Today is 23rd March, 6:15 a.m. See, 6 tasks completed. Same. That nothing changed. I check available job here. Let's see. No available job here today. So I'm going to check this one again today evening. See ya. So now 23rd March, 6:30 Wednesday. Okay. 6 tasks. 0.42. No available for job right now. So I'm going to update for tomorrow. Today, 24th March, 6 a.m. Same as yesterday. Let's check. There's availability. New task? No, there's no task. So now is 24th March, 6:30 p.m. No any work and task available. This is not for me. If I click here, available job, which is my level, there's no job available. Same. So I'm going to check again for tomorrow. Today, 25th March, Friday, 8:20 a.m. So I've done only 6 tasks SMS tomorrow, SMS yesterday, and see how much money I earned. Let's check there is available job for me. No task available. Okay, 25th March, 8:15 p.m. Same. Let me check. Job? No job available. Same. Hey, good morning. Today is Saturday morning, 9:46, 26th March. So look at this. 6 tasks complete. The amount is also same. Let's see available jobs. No job available today's morning. Good morning. Today is Sunday, 27th March. I think I passed last night. You see, so there's no any tasks, and let me see, the amount of money is same. The result is terrible, and some of you get disappointed as well. Me too. I didn't expect that low amount of money, but each of you may have different result. So if you have any feedback, please leave your comment down below. I'm very open to hear your opinion. So today's video is all done, and if you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe my channel. I will prepare more valuable information for you. Have a great day and see ya.